This applet is designed to show you about the phases of the moon. So the sun is coming from the left, here is the Earth, and here is the moon. The control across the bottom changes the position of the moon, and up here is how the moon appears from Earth, as it says. And at the moment, wherever we are on Earth, as the Earth spins on its axis, when you look at the moon, it would appear dark because the lit side of the moon is facing away from us. So this is called the phase is called the new moon phase. As the moon rotates around on its 28-day cycle, this is called the waxing, so it's getting larger and larger. So I'm going to stop about this position here. So after 7 days, if you were to look at the moon, half of it is lit from the sun and the other half not. So we would see that we've got the point where we call the first quarter. Let's move across. So it's still waxing. We get to the point here where we've got the full moon. So unless we've got an eclipse, the sun will light up the whole of the face of the moon that we can see. As it rotates around further, we get a waning, getting smaller, until it finishes its 28-day cycle and we get back to entirely dark. So that's our new moon again.